Sheep to Jumper. Written by Fiona MacDonald.
Sheep live on farms. Sheep grow a coat of thick wool in time for winter. The new wool is clean and fluffy. Sheep feel hot when the sun shines and get smelly. The wool gets sticky and mucky and has bits of twig and mud in it. In June, all the wool is cut off and loaded into big sacks. Sheep feel cool because the wool has been cut off. The farmer sells the wool. The sacks are loaded onto a big truck and go to the mill. At the mill, the mucky wool is made clean. When it is clean, they sort the wool into piles. Next, the wool gets a good brushing. Soon the wisps of wool are smooth. The wool can go to the next step. The wool is loaded into a spinner. The spinner twists the wool round and round. It makes the wool into yarn, like soft string. The yarn is loaded onto a loom. The loom moves up and down to make cloth. Thin yarn is made into socks and jumpers. Thick yarn is made into rugs and mats. Some yarn is made into fluffy wool for crafts. A van takes the socks and jumpers, rugs and mats and wool to the shops. In winter, we go to the shops to look for things made of wool. Wool stops us feeling chilly. Shops sell wool. It is bright and soft. We can make things from wool at home. What do you think can be made?